Senior Focus is a program designed to help the elderly deal with a lot of issues that go along with aging. Some of those issues might include losses of people in their lives, children perhaps, a husband, and just a myriad of things that go along with the aging process. There are several ways that they benefit from coming here, and one of them is hearing other people talk about very similar situations. And the other one is the uplifting environment. We try to provide a very positive, uplifting environment for them. But anyone can be referred to the program, and anyone can refer to the program. Some patients actually know about the program and refer themselves. And it's a Medicare program. It's paid for under Part B of Medicare. At Graham Regional Medical Center, we provide professional service and quality care.